एसएचओ कौन था इसमें? मिस्टर एसएचओ, आपकी कुछ ड्यूटी है 169 में कि नहीं? और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर है।
Sir.
Have you taken any action against these persons?
Sir.
क्या लिया?
लिए नहीं सर, नोटिस जारी किया सर।
अभी सोचिए आपके घर परिवार का कोई आदमी हो तो कैसा लगेगा? हाउ विल फील? ये बच्चों के केस में आपकी पुलिस ऐसी असंवेदनशील है तो कैसे काम चलेगा, हमें तो ये बताइए। अब कभी उस निर्दोष आदमी से तो पूछो जो पिछले 10 महीने से जेल में है, कि एक निर्दोष आदमी 10 महीने से जेल में है, कौन उसकी क्षतिपूर्ति करेगा? वेयर इज मिस्टर एसपी?
Madam, he is present before the honorable court.
Mr. SP, why you people are so insensitive in the cases of the POCSO Act? In this case, FSL report was received by your police and it was deposited before the court on 5/6/2023.
Sir.
It was positive. FSL report was positive.
Sir.
But you did not feel any need to send the SAM for DNA examination because the matter relates with the POCSO.
Sir.
There is a provision in section 166.
164A. 161.
No. That is 166 IPC. Why cases? Why it should not be directed to register case against you and SHO and the investigation officer? That this negligence is a crime. Matter relates to the aggravated penetrative sexual assault with a minor. आपने इसको कब भेजा इसको DNA के लिए?
सर 30/10 को भेजा था।
So why you kept it with you for the further 5 months? Because if you had demonstrated it on 5/6 before the trial court, it's been you were in receipt of the FSL report prior to 1st of June.
The fact of the matter is the prosecutor is based with the present applicant. She goes with him from District Sydney to Nagpur. As per the 161 statements recorded by the police on 4/3 and 5/3, immediately after her dastiyaab, she makes no allegation of the present applicant ever making any sexual assault on her. In her first 161 statement, she says कि मेरे साथ सिर्फ एक बार घटना हुई, एक 2023, that is about 2 months prior. She sent for her medical examination. Doctor asks her, history of assault में डॉक्टर ने पूछा आपके साथ कब घटना हुई? In that the prosecutor tells the doctor कि मेरे साथ 1/1/2023 को घटना हुई. Doctor in her MLC even makes a mention in the brackets that 64 days prior to the MLC was the last incident of sexual assault.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
when FSL was received as positive,
Yes.
and even if girl has lied with the police,
Girl has?
lied with the police,
Yes.
then it was the duty of police to confirm whether the positive FSL is that of accused or someone else.
I am saying the different thing. I am saying if the girl is not lying, and if the act has in fact arguments back, that means there is a chance of planting.
No, Mr. Counsel.
No, I am going from another point of view.
Report was positive, when FSL report was positive,
Yes.
it was incumbent upon the police.
It was. I am saying that
DNA examination,
why police is not sending it. Why police is not sending it? क्योंकि
you don't, so you are arguing on behalf of police?
No, I am making a totally different submission. मेरे को तो इनसे कोई बात है ना, आप तो 161 पैसा लगा देंगे, but I am saying something different.
सर ये जरूर लेट हो गया सर इसमें भेजने में DNA के लिए सर।
नहीं भाई, आप बताइए ना, अगर आप ये बच्चों के केस में आपकी पुलिस ऐसी असंवेदनशील है तो कैसे काम चलेगा, हमें तो ये बताइए। अगर किसी व्यक्ति को निर्दोष व्यक्ति फंसता है और अगर DNA एग्जामिनेशन कराने से ये साबित होता है कि ये जो FSL पॉजिटिव आया है ये एक्यूज का नहीं है, किसी और का है, तो प्रश्न उठता है वो आदमी जेल में क्यों रहना चाहिए?
सर
So, do you have IPC root section 166?
Yes, madam.
Penal Code of Law. Tell me, why should court not direct for registration of FIR against you all?
सर
166A. Whoever being a public servant knowingly disobeys to the prejudice of any person, any other direction of law regulating the manner in which he shall conduct such investigation, shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months. And फिर इसके बाद सी में पूरा दिया है कि आपको कैसे 326 से लेकर 376 कैसे करना, like very clear on the point. That's why it has been made a punishable offense.
Yes.
So you submit your explanation and writing. Because things cannot be taken so lightly. अब देखिए आपकी ये डीएनए रिपोर्ट प्राप्त हो गई है, अब ये डीएनए प्रोफाइल से भिन्न है. That it's mean that accused was not the person
Sir.
who had committed penetrative aggravated sexual assault. So this man is in jail for the last how many months?
Well, it's from March 2023.
2023, almost for 10 months.
Yes.
Who shall compensate these days? Who shall compensate these days? This FIR has spoiled his entire career, entire life. So we filed a writing why action should not be taken. SHO कौन था इसमें? मिस्टर SHO आपकी कुछ ड्यूटी है 169 में कि नहीं? और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर है.
Sir.
Have you taken any action against these persons?
Sir.
क्या लिया?
लिए नहीं सर, नोटिस जारी किया सर.
आप रिटर्न करिए, देखें क्या करना. क्या ये एक्शन केसेस को FM लाइटली नहीं ले सकते.
सर.
आपका बिल्कुल चीफ सेक्रेटरी के उसमें पूरी समिति गठित है कि पॉक्सो एक्ट के केसेस को कैसे देखा जाए. There is provision in the law itself. Under section 54A and 164, it is mandatory on the part of the investigation part of the police to get them examined. क्यों नहीं भी डीएनए के लिए तत्काल भेजते हैं? जो भी सच होगा सामने आ जाएगा. कभी उस निर्दोष आदमी से तो पूछो जो पिछले 10 महीने से जेल में है. दोषी है, ठीक है, लेकिन एक निर्दोष आदमी 10 महीने से जेल में है, कौन उसकी क्षतिपूर्ति करेगा? कभी सोचिए आपके घर परिवार का कोई आदमी हो तो कैसा लगेगा? How will feel? So file reply in writing. लिखिए. Should be filed earlier. Learned counsel for the applicant. When would be filing it? State.
Within 1 week month.
ठीक है.
Malad may allow the application, keep the 439 application pending for the reply. I'll even appear on the second day. Even though he may be released on bail, I'd still come to prosecute this application.
Shri Nishant Yadav, learned penalty for respondent state. DNA report has been received. SP शिवनी, क्या नाम है आपका?
राकेश कुमार सिंह.
राकेश कुमार सिंह, SHO PS लखनवाड़ा.
यस सर.
क्या नाम है?
नवीन कुमार जैन.
नवीन कुमार सिंह
जैन.
जैन. And investigation officer of the case,
मंजूर रंगडाले.
Miss Manjur Hangdale. DNA report has been received and as per the report dated 25/1/2024 received from FSL Bhopal DNA by chromosome STR DNA profile found on the vaginal fluid of prosecutors is not of accused. As already observed in earlier order, FSL report was deposited before the trial court on 5/6/2023. While sample for DNA examination was sent on कब भेजा था? On 29/10/2023. Police officers are directed to explain, are directed while they reply in writing as to why action be not initiated against them for their negligence. Lift this, for learned counsel for the state seeks 1 week time to file reply. Next. Applicant, first bail application of the applicant was dismissed at the done and not test the liberty to revive the same after receipt of DNA report by the order dated 26/10/2023 passed in MC Act number so and so. Next. On the other hand, Leonard Penlad for the state has opposed grant of bail. Next, in this case, prosecutors have already been examined. She has turned hostile. Even otherwise, now there is no possibility of influencing prosecution witnesses and tampering with the prosecution evidence. DNA also did not confirm the prosecution story. Therefore, having taken into consideration all the facts and circumstances of the case, that without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, I am inclined to release the applicant on 50,000. लिखिए ऊपर इस देना की बिल्कुल टॉप पे जहाँ भी पहले डिक्टेशन दिया लिखिए रिजर्व पुलिस ऑफिसर आर डिस्चार्ज
My lord, would kindly permit the type copy of the order may be provided.
Yes, copy of the for that
For further.
For further proceedings.
you can download it. You can download it.
बंद हो गया मोबाइल
Download नहीं होती.
कल से शायद
But I think that is, I don't think so. दे देना फिर भी a copy of this order be supplied to Leonard Public Prosecutor. Leonard additional Leonard Penlad for further action. ठीक है.